Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janavi Jain and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. So today's video is all about So without any further ado, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so the first one I am trying is this one. I just saw how she did it, so let's see how I tried it. Okay, I tried it a lot of time but it didn't work out, so I told my brother to do it. So sorry.
2 days later.
So this is how the city turned out to be. I think this is pretty very cool, I think, and I may just pop some pictures how this prop has turned out to be in my pictures. Getting in the next DIY, there goes a mask, which is a handkerchief mask, and I was like, dude, I really need to try this and I need to show it to you all. So that's how it goes.
Okay, so she just taken handkerchief. I took this one. Okay, then she just take 3 folds. Let's go. Did it? Done. Now that's how she did it. Here it goes. Then somewhat she just like did this stuff. इसने one part को दूसरे में डाल दिया, and then that's how the really neatly, guys. I'm going to try this time. Okay, this is how it looks, You need to do it properly. Okay, this works. You can just use it if you want to. This totally works. But, so one review, this works. Okay.
You can just try it. But there's a lot of fabric going on here because इसकी वजह से देखो आपको सब भरा भरा लगता है मुंह के अंदर.
What?
So it just came off. I think this works, but not for me. Okay, so the third one is this one. Yeah, guys, I have made it by myself. Looking at that DIY, so see the video out there. Or like they don't even show us that how they wrapped it or how they do it. It's so fast. So somehow I tried it, but let's see. So now you have seen how she makes, so now we have to see how I made it and getting in the video. This was really difficult, okay guys, like this seems to be very easy but it's difficult, so I did a jugaad. See. Somehow I used my legs, but there was a cramp. Oh my god. Then I used the machine thread to tie it properly because I didn't knew that how it ended up there. Here they use the hot glue gun, but I didn't had so machine threads in the bad.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wow, Janvi, wow. They made the wall hanging, but I really wanted to make a dream catcher, but this looks somehow that like that only. So I just marked and measured the threads which should fall. Okay, so you all know now that how this turned out to be, and I think I'm really happy with this. Main reason behind all this was like, I may use all these items like wall decor, like for my YouTube video backdrops and all those stuff. So I think this was the first one which I did, and the second one is this one. you saw the video, I think I'll make mine too. Now my video comes. How did I make? turned out to be, and I'm pretty much happy with this product, this item, because I can use it. Okay, this is like, I can use this as a wall decor. So big thumbs up. I really liked it. Wow. So as a dream catcher, this one also was a thumbs up. So the getting into the next one, the last and the fifth one is, you know, bleaching your old t-shirt. I was like, should I do it? Should I not? Because I was really very scared. I may have used black color t-shirt, but it's okay. This is how it turned out to be. Yay! So I'm happy with all the items. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, that I tried all these DIYs. I think you all should have even tried. So if you like this video, do comment, do like, do share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon down below for the next video update. And until then, ta-da! Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.